Good morning. Okay, so today we are working with a 20 by 24 inch canvas, and the colors I'll be using are Master's Touch Sachet Red, which is this beautiful, beautiful color. It's almost like a Chinese metallic red. I love that. I'm using 24K gold. I'm using Arteza's Payne's Gray and Sea Green. And here's the Sea Green. It's a metallic. It's a pearl sea green. And their Payne's Gray, I added a little bit of Lumiere Indigo, and it comes in this little bottle. And then finally, I'm using Color Shifts Blue Flash. And that is right here. So, and then I also have the white. It's actually fairly thin. It's not my typical thick concoction of white. There's no satin enamel in the white this time at all. What else? I think that's it. So that's what we are going to be using for paints today. And I'm not even sure how I'm gonna pour. Maybe I'll do it just a straight pour and go from there. So I hope everybody's been doing well and staying healthy. Things over here are settling in. We start homeschooling next Tuesday, remote learning. And we got all their classes yesterday. Nothing like waiting until the last minute. Thank you, Amesbury. But we're gonna see how the kids do this year. Should be interesting. All right, we're gonna start with some white at the base and a little bit of gold. I'll come in right with the Sachet Red. The Payne's Gray mix. The Blue Flash. Sea Green by Arteza. There's no rhyme or reason for my layering. I'm just doing happy colors next to each other. So my consistencies are not the same across the board. Some are thicker than others, some are thinner. I'm just gonna fill that right up to the tippity top. I'll leave my cups over here. my torch. All of my paints are mixed with mix. And they're mixed 7 parts of mix to 1 part of paint. So some beautiful lines in here. Just getting any air bubbles out. I did just mix my paints because there's some are thin and some are not. I think I have a little bit of bubbles going on here, but that's all right. Okay. And bring you guys in. It's so pretty in the middle. Ah. You're not too dizzy. All right, so I'm gonna bring you guys back over here. There you go. All right, and I said it again. One of my viewers had expressed that me saying all right sort of creeps them out of it, so I'm trying not to say it. But so I typically do these style pours on a 20 by 20 inch canvas, and I'm out of them, so I figured I'd pour on this. Okay, I'm gonna give it another torch. I have a few air bubbles in here. Sometimes when air bubbles are popped, they have colors obviously layered underneath, and those colors will come through. Let's see. but I don't want to over torch it just yet. Let's see. I'm going to put some of the sea green in here to help move the paint. And then over here, okay. We'll worry about this area in just a bit. So we're gonna come over to this corner now. Let's bring it back. Okay, so I think I'm about done with this, and we're gonna bring you guys in just a minute. If I can turn off the camera, my hands are wet. Okay guys, here we are. This is the final. So off camera, I didn't do anything to it. I just decided I was gonna let it be, but I'm loving this area. And I'm sure I could have stretched out the center a little more and opened up these bands, but I really loved the way that they looked on each side. And here is my favorite cell. Ta-da! Oh, sorry Karen, I used your ta-da. So I thought this one is so neat. And this little one looks like a whoopie pie. Now I'm just looking for things. Anywho, this is it. So this is today's pour. I hope you guys liked it. I love the final results. I'm not sure which orientation I'm going to display it on. Maybe this side or this way. And there's that way. Obviously we know all the orientations. Or I can just leave it up to someone's personal preference. All right, thanks for watching. I hope you guys have a great day. Visit my Etsy shop. The links are in the video description below. I have an Instagram, so please follow me on Instagram. That way you never miss a piece that I do, because every piece that I put up, there is a video that day or close to that day. Thank you guys. Have a wonderful day.